Hi everyone, it's Michelle at Cope Homes, and I want to introduce you to our sales manager, Amy.
Hi everyone.
Amy is an experienced sales agent who's going to help you find your dream home. Amy, for those who are not familiar with Cope Homes, what are the 3 things that really make us unique?
Here at Cope Home, we build modern farmhouse on acre lots with no HOA.
Oh my gosh, I love it. What is better than having room and space to breathe, having your freedom to live how you want, and having a gorgeous home? The modern farmhouse and the craftsman style, it is such a difference from the boring cookie cutter homes you see everywhere. Don't you agree?
I agree. We don't see a lot of this in the DFW area.
And Amy, how many of these gorgeous floor plans do we have?
Here at Cope Homes, we have 18 different floor plans spanning about 2,000 to 5,300 square feet, fitting every lifestyle.
Tell me, Amy, what is your favorite floor plan?
That's so hard, Michelle.
I know, right? Okay, so let me ask one of your favorites.
It's gonna have to be the Denali.
Ooh, and why is that?
The Denali is just like the Rushmore, except you get more rooms on the first stories, and that's so important to me.
Oh, nice, I love it. I think my favorite is still, right now at least, the Lincoln, because that huge laundry room connects directly into the master bedroom closet. Hello, so convenient. It's just those little things, those touches that make life a little simpler. Amy, tell us when buyers can come out and meet with you and tour one of our many gorgeous homes.
We are open from 10 to 6 or by appointment. Come on out, I'd love to help you find your new home.
Yes, come on out to Lexington Heights in Nevada, Texas. Thank you, Amy, for talking with us.
Of course, Michelle. Hope to see you soon.